Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Segway 9Bot Max Electric Kick Scooter. This is revolutionary upgrade of electric scooters. With powerful 350 watts motor, Segway 9Bot Max can reach to 18.6 miles per hour, travel up to 40 miles and max load of 220 pounds. Our smart battery management system assures the battery safety and extends the battery life. Input voltage 100 to 240 volts. One-step folding system for easy portability. Segway 9Bot Max electric scooter can be folded with ease in mere 3 seconds. Carry it on public transportation, store it in your car in any destination you desire effortlessly. The mechanical and electrical anti-lock braking system ensure braking safety. Front and rear wheel shock absorbers equipped with self-healing tubeless self-sealing tire provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. With the LED display, Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, select riding modes and mobile app connectivity for additional security, firmware updates and more. Built-in charger, only use one cord for fast charging. Our second best electric scooter is Highboy S2 Pro electric scooter. The 500 watts electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour. High-capacity battery with a max travel range of up to 25.6 miles under specific conditions, and max load of 220 pounds. Highboy S2 Pro electric scooters front and rear will equipped with 10-inch solid tires and rear dual shock absorbers provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. Highboy e-scooter features the ultra-bright headlights with a range of up to 15 meters to enhance safety. And double braking system features a disc braking and EOBS regenerative anti-lock braking. Highboy e-scooter collapses for easy storage in car trunks and other compact spaces. Extra detachable scooter seat is available for a more comfortable option. Simply connect Highboy electric scooters app to lock your scooter, to customize the scooter acceleration and braking responses. Highboy S2 Pro electric scooter equipped with more powerful performance, become your best commuting or outdoor travel companion. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is GoTracks GXV2 electric scooter. If you're looking for a basic electric scooter to get you that last mile in the city, the GoTracks GXV2 is worth considering under budget, making it more affordable than many comparable models. It's also among the lightest e-scooters out there, making it easy to carry and take into work or your home at the end of the day. Featuring a 36 volts 5.2 Ah battery, the GXV2 travels up to 12.5 miles and recharges in about 4 hours. Top speed 15.5 miles per hour. Improved motor. The 250 watt motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The GXV2 reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and can handle up to 220 pounds. Love your commute. Ride in comfort using the rubberized grips, easy to use handbrake, and shock absorbing 8.5 inches air filled tires. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best electric scooter list is GoTracks XR Ultra electric scooter. The GoTracks XR Ultra commuting scooter equipped with one-step folding system for portability, aluminum material to enhance the stability, and a special red safety button to protect the handlebar from folding while riding. High-capacity LG battery 7.0 Ah with a maximum travel range of up to 18 miles under optimum conditions. Our smart battery management system ensures the battery safety and extends the battery life. We suggest you check the tires once a month and inflate tires in time to ensure that the tire pressure is 340 psi. Only normal tire pressure can ensure normal range. The adult electric-powered scooter features a quiet 300 watts motor, boasting top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and max load of 220 pounds. Tackles steep hills with ease, making it a perfect commuting scooter. Features a disc braking and anti-lock braking system for a safe, responsive braking while at top speed. Front and rear wheels use 8.5 inches pneumatic tires, make riding comfortable, even on rough road or bump terrain. The LED display shows current speed, speed modes, battery life and headlight. The headlight has been upgraded to 8.5 degrees irradiation angle and 26 feet irradiation distance, keeping riders safe while riding in the dark. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is GoTracks G4 electric scooter. This commuting electric scooter comes with an electronic code lock and cable lock. We have double protection as follows: electric code lock, lock the digital display and no one can power it on if he does not know the password. Cable lock, no one can take it away without the password. Double anti-theft can protect the safety of your scooter. With an estimated range of 25 miles under optimum conditions on the flat road, making it the best electric scooter adults for those who have long rides. Riding a scooter instead of driving a car, which can save on gas and no more pollution. It is 10 inches pneumatic tires can bring you an excellent riding experience. Equipped with a powerful 350 watt motor and 6.7 inch wide deck, the GoTracks G4 electric scooter was powerful enough to move easily. What's more, the front fork is made of aluminum alloy forging process, very strong and durable. We suggest you check the tires once a month and inflate tires in time to ensure that the tire pressure is 250 psi. Only normal tire pressure can ensure normal range. Its multifunction LED control panel displays mileage, battery capacity, speed and headlight, easy for you to control and ride. The front LED light provides better visibility when riding at night. The red tail lights will flash when you brake. All these make it easy to ride and safer.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!